Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we are back looking at Dualmine. Now I know it's only a few days since the last time we were in there, but there has been a big announcement, so keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so as you can see, we are in my Dualmine account, and to be honest, I'm not a massive fan of returning back to a program so quickly. It's only been 4 days since the last time we were in here, but they have made an announcement which I feel that needs to be looked at. But before we get into that, let's check out the numbers. So 4 days ago, our Zcash or XMR was at 2,891 mega hashes. You can see that we are now at 3,029, and our Litecoin was at 420, and you can see we are now at 443. Now that is just me once again being able to take advantage of their 9 times promotions, and at the moment they do have an 8 times promotion, which normally I'm a bit disappointed. Normally with the 8 time promotions you do get some kind of CRT airdrop, but it doesn't appear that they are doing that this time. So anyway, we are going to do quickly, sorry for hitting the microphone, we're going to quickly do a update or an upgrade of Zcash. So we are just about over the minimum required, but we do have 4 million of Ethereum, so we're going to put the 4 million Ethereum into Zcash and then reinvest it. So what we'll do is we go to convert, we go to Ethereum, we want to convert it into Zcash. We're going to get 56 million, convert that, confirm. At some point it will confirm. There we go. So we scroll down and we can see we have now 64 million Zcash. So we then go to reinvest, and we're going to reinvest Zcash. We're going to get 12.88 times 8. Like I say, normally you do have that CRT airdrop with a times 8, but it doesn't appear they're going to be doing that this time. Anyway, we go create, pay using the profit, and then here you go, we can see, oh, we have 318 CRT as an airdrop, so that's a nice bonus. So yeah, so we've got 12.88 times 7, oh no, times 8, there you go, there's the 8th one, and then we got a CRT airdrop of 318. The updates, obviously the Litecoin I did, you can see here, there's the Litecoin and the Monero at times 9, you can see there. So if we dive back into the dashboard, scroll down, you can now see we're at 367 Zcash, and we're now at 7,504 CRT. We quickly go to the profits. So with the Monero and the Litecoin, the reason why I'm updating so often is basically because at the moment I'm getting, so you're looking at 8 million required for a reinvest of Litecoin. We're at 3.9, so pretty much every 2 days we're being able to upgrade that or do a reinvest. The same with the Monero. Zcash, we are now, where is Zcash? Zcash, we are now getting nearly 3 every day, 3 million every day. So obviously you're looking at a reinvest every 3 days there at the moment. Okay, so let's go and check out this update. So the update is that Dualmine is saying that Whitebit has now increased their withdrawal fee from 10 CRT up to 800 CRT, which is a massive jump. Obviously, CRT is basically not really worth a whole lot, so that might be what the problem is. So Whitebit has a set fee, so let's say the fee is $10 or $5. So basically what they've done is they've increased it to be at that minimum requirement, but obviously that is a big jump. Now, Dualmine are saying that they are looking for a better solution or a cheaper solution at a new exchange. So my advice to you guys out there, anyone that is thinking of doing a withdrawal, hold fire until Dualmine posts a new exchange, because obviously if you can avoid paying 800 CRT on your withdrawals, that means then more profit for you. So like I'm saying, is if you haven't already done a withdrawal but you're looking to do one in the near future, just hold on to that just in case Dualmine do come up with a better solution in the way of a new exchange, so therefore you're not paying such a large amount on your withdrawal fees. Okay, so the other thing is that they're basically saying that they have bought back 4 million CRT on exchanges. I love how they say from us. I mean, who else is it going to be? Who else is it going to be? Who else is them CRTs coming from? Of course they're from us. But essentially, they're buying them back from the exchange. They're not actually buying them back from us, but, you know, they're trying to make it out that they're doing us a huge favor by doing this. I do agree with what they're saying. A lot of people are, you know, moaning about this, and I have, obviously, like I say, every time I say this, I do see it from both sides, but you can't, for those of you that are sort of, you can't have it both ways. For those of you that are sort of making comments that you're not getting a huge amount from your withdrawals and the CRT is worth nothing. But if you are making a withdrawal and then just selling it at some really, really low price, well, this is the reason why CRT is not gaining in price, and therefore you are not getting a better exchange. So you've got two choices at the end of the day. You can withdraw, and then if you don't, because you don't need to, it's in an exchange, obviously, you know, so you don't need to make that exchange and then withdraw from the exchange straight away. You could leave it in there for a couple of weeks, allow the price of CRT to increase, then make that withdrawal. But those of you that are basically withdrawing from Dualmine, getting it into your exchange or into Whitebit or Vindax, whichever one you're using, and then withdrawing it or immediately from that exchange, no matter what the price is, no matter how low it is, then, you know, that is the reason why you're not getting that a lot back for those 3,000 CRTs, is basically because you're selling at such a low price. So you can't what I'm trying to say is you can't have it both ways. You can't moan that you're not making enough money or you're not making a very large amount of money from that 3,000 CRT if you are prepared or if you are selling it at such a low price. Like I say, if all of this is to all members, if you make a withdrawal, say you make a withdrawal at the beginning of the month, what I would suggest is basically leave it in that exchange for maybe a couple of weeks or even a month. If you're happy to leave it in there for a month, that will help the price of CRT build up. But, you know, many people have talked about this. when it's being sold at such cheap prices, yes, Dualmine do say this, and obviously, you know, we're not happy with what Dualmine did, but they are not wrong. They are not wrong in this, but the choice is yours. Obviously, the choice is yours, but I'm just saying, if you do want the price to go up and for you to get more money for those 3,000 CRTs, then you have to leave it in that exchange for a length of time to allow that price to build. But like I say, the choice is yours. So anyway, I'm going to leave that there. That is it. That's over. That's my advice. Like I say, with the new exchange, I would wait for that. Don't bother doing an exchange. Don't bother doing a withdrawal until that new exchange comes on board, so you're not paying those high fees. And also, like I've just talked about, if you do, once you do an exchange, leave it in there for a while to allow the price to build, and then do a withdrawal. Okay. Anyway, if you can smash that like button, it really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.